What is up, guys? Steeler Card 7 here, back with another video. And in today's video, I have a couple pickups along with a package from the Card Dojo with some packs in it that I won in a giveaway back from his holiday extravaganza rip. And I'm about to go over the packs that I won that are in this box, but got a couple pickups right here. First up, got a Kamani Vidal rookie auto from Troy, which is near where I live. This is the first card I've even seen that's licensed of a Troy player. Troy logo right there. So really sweet pickup there. Hopefully he stays on the Chargers and has a good career with them. Next up, I did a trade with Bills Cards 86 and already put away a lot of the singles, but one of the main cards in the trade was this Claypool Pink Prizm rookie, which is a really sharp looking card. Sadly, Claypool fell off, but this definitely would have been the card of my dreams years ago. Still pretty good looking card, so set that back there. So now I'm going to get into this giveaway package from the Guard Dojo. Got a pack of Absolute, a pack of Prizm, and then he also threw in some extras, which are really cool. Haven't gone through them, but I saw the top one. But this actually reminds me I have a lot of cards to send his way, so big thank you to the Card Dojo for sure. And this first card on top, George Pickens 2024 score autograph. That's a really cool card. I think this is my fourth autograph of him, and that's really awesome. Great player for sure. He's got a lot of talent if he can just behave. So here's some more cards. I'll just remove that. Got a TJ Watt on the pink camo from Mosaic. Calvin Austin III rookie card. Phoenix rookie Calvin Austin. Mitchell Trubisky color burst. Those are really sharp looking. Roman Wilson on the green Mosaic rookie. Hopefully I'll get to see him play next season, but I think he was injured this year. Russell Wilson on the blue explosive. That's my first Steelers card of Russell Wilson. That was really nice right there. And a Pat Freiermuth on the Prestige auto. That is really cool. Muth definitely was the best offensive player, I think. Or at least had the best season out of any Steeler on the offense. Put that right there. Really cool card right there. But yeah, once this video ends, I'm gonna package up those cards I've set aside for Card Dojo. Got a Chronicles Pickens, Calvin Austin on the Chronicles, Kenny Pickett on the pink Chronicles, George Pickens on the Origins, Team Origins of Terry Bradshaw. Got a Watt, Last Call Watt, Pickens Absolute Rookie, Calvin Austin on the Absolute Rookie, Deontay on the pink Absolute, Claypool Certified, Watt Certified, Najee Certified. I think those are all the base that were in the certified that year for the Steelers. Origins Trubisky, the rookies Pickens, DeMarvin Leal, and a Kenny Pickett on the Illusions rookie. So super awesome extras there. Now let's get to these packs. Gonna open the Absolute first. Been a good bit since I've won a giveaway, at least that I can think of. Jimmy Garoppolo, DeAndre Swift, Amari Cooper, James Cook. Guess I'll have to turn these around. Cooks, Pittman Jr., Breece Hall, Christian Watson, Isaiah Pacheco, Joe Burrow. I don't even think I ripped any Absolute this year, or last year, or this year. DJ Turner, Jaden Reed, Dylan Horton. Is that a rookie card? I can't tell. Normally the oh yeah, it is a rookie. I see. That one just doesn't have a shield. Stetson Bennett, the rookie card. Garrett Williams, Aaron Jones blue, Derek Carr blue, Adetomiwa Adebawar on the blue rookie, and then some inserts. Jamal Williams and Josh Jacobs. Cool pack there. See what's in this Prizm. All right. Jamar Chase, Tyler Algier, Brandon Cooks, Isaiah Pacheco, John Randall, Christian McCaffrey, Jeremy Shockey, Michael Mayer. Got a silver Michael Pittman Jr., a green Luke Schoonmaker, Portals Hendon Hooker green. That's a really sharp looking card. Patrick Willis. Oh, let's go. Wow. Puka Nakua. See if I can even grab the sleeve here. I was not expecting that. That is awesome. All right. I'm going to go ahead and top load that up too. Not sure how much it's worth, but one of the best receivers to emerge in the league the past couple of years. So really awesome card right there. I will take that for sure. And got a Kadarius Toney on the red, white, and blue. I'm going to send that right back to the Card Dojo. And a Justin Herbert hype. All right, I don't think I'm gonna do a recap video, but really awesome video. Shout out to the Card Dojo for running the giveaway, and that'll do it for this video. I'll see you guys in the next video.